Hello everyone, it's your favorite high schooler, Miko, back with another video. So this video is going to be very different. It's not going to be a normal video like studying or a night routine. It's going to be an unboxing video of an aesthetic mechanical keyboard. So this mechanical keyboard is from Onikuma. It's the G52 series Space Edition, so I bought the gray, white, and green version. At the back, you can see that I bought the black switches, and it cost 1,050 from Data Blitz. It also offers backlight LED and offers a USB 2.0 interface. So enough of the box and its features, let's get on with the unboxing. When you open the box, you get greeted with the keyboard itself and the Onikuma plastic wrapping that wraps the entire keyboard. Let's check on that later, but for now, we have a manual, which I am not going to show you guys because I know it's very, very boring. Next up, we have this random cardboard piece that covers the USB-A to USB-C cable that connects the keyboard to the overall PC or laptop that you use. So, enough of the box. Let's just close this up real quick. Let's move on with the overall keyboard. So when you open up the keyboard, remove the plastic wrapping, you get greeted with the keyboard itself, offering white, green, and gray keycaps, which are swappable just in case you want to change how the keyboard looks. The keyboard also offers two stands if you want your keyboard to stand vertically upon usage. You can also see that the back offers the specs, and you can see that it is made in China. Once we remove this one keycap, I'll be right back with you. Okay, so once you remove the keycap, you can see that all the keys are offered with a brown switch, because that's the edition that I bought. Switches are hot swappable, and you can change the keys whenever you want as long as you buy keys that are compatible with it. Okay, let's unwrap this USB-A to USB-C cable, which is indeed very, very long. I cannot doubt that this is pretty long. So let's just connect it to the USB connector over here at the back. And then let me connect it to my PC real quick. There we go. Now the keyboard is connected successfully to my PC with this one light mode. So the keyboard also offers 18 light modes that you can enjoy based on your personal preference. You can also turn off the lights if you want to by clicking FN and then home. The 18 light modes offers standby mode. This isn't standby mode. This one offers where you click it, the lights will breathe. In this one, it just breathes normally along the keyboard by itself. This one also breathes normally, and it tends to be quite annoying because you can't use it properly. This one breathes on its own and also tends to be annoying because it doesn't really work as much. This one is pretty cool because I like the way it flows along the keyboard when you want it to look cool. This one also offers a breathable lighting, which is nice, and also offers this one, that one, the disco one, standby mode, breathing off and on mode, another standby mode, that mode, that mode, that mode, and many more. For now, I think I will keep it on this minimalistic mode, where when you click a keycap, a light will appear. You can also turn down the brightness, or you can turn it up. Turning it up will have this average lighting. Turning it like all the way down will have no lighting. Turning it level 1, it doesn't have much. Wait, no, level 1 doesn't have much. Level 2 doesn't have much. Level 3, basically just your personal preference works. I think I'll keep it at the max for mine. Okay, so enough of that for now. Let's check how it types. Of course, checking how it types is a very essential thing to do in an unboxing video. So I'll be right back with that one. Okay, so now let's check how it types. Let's go to monkeytype.com. Oh, hold on. Sorry about that. Okay. So we're here at monkeytype.com to see how it really types. Please do not mind my typos because I'm really bad at typing really fast. Okay, so that's how the keyboard types. And yes, I was using the keyboard over here. So don't worry, I'm not using an external keyboard. And if y'all want to see how it sounds like the average blue tactile switches, which are very, very nice, and you can change them if you want to, which is very, very useful for those who don't want soldered on keys. It is indeed hot swappable. Okay, so that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel for future videos. Again, this isn't a tech channel, this is a productivity channel, a cozy channel, a vlog channel, and your average Joe channel. I just want to say that I recommend this keyboard for a lot of people who are looking for a mechanical keyboard and something that is budgeted for it. So that's all I have for you today. Bye.